Welcome back to my channel. My name is Georgia for those of you who are new, and to my regular subscribers, welcome back. As you could tell from the title, today we're going to do some glittery nails for the holiday, and I'm going to do them on short nails. I tend to keep my nails short because I like to change my color often, and honestly I don't have the time, the energy, or the money to be going to the nail salon every other week. I like to switch it up a lot, so it's best to keep the nails short. So right now on my nail I have some of them are bare because I was messing around with colors before I came on camera, so I'm gonna clean those off and we're gonna start over and see what we turn out with today. Okay, so I have my cotton pad and my nail polish remover, so let's go in and clean those off real quick. Just not to make a mess, always close back as you go. Clean as you go is what I say. So we're gonna clean off. My nails are super short. Let me see if you could focus. Yeah, super short nails. So sometimes when I do like the polishing, sometimes it tends to get on my skin, but I try my best not to let that happen. But if it does, then I'll clean it up, or I'll just wait until I wash my hands a couple of times and then it tends to go away. Alright, so I was messing around with colors before because I wanted to see if I needed to put on a base coat, but I don't think it's gonna work. My favorite brand to use in anything is Sally Hansen, and I usually like to go with the Insta Dry because I don't have patience. So I usually get the Insta Dry, you put them on, within a couple of minutes they're good to go. So now that the nail is all cleaned up, I'm gonna put that aside. I've already decided that I'm not going to use this base coat because this is a Sally Hansen Big Primer base coat. I've decided against using it. So to get the look that we're going for today, we're just going to use 3. So this is going to be my base coat. It's a little bit glittery, and then we're going to add more glitter to this. This is the brand Jordana, and I got this from my beauty supply store. So I think this costs $1, if not like $1.50 or something like that. So this is going to be the glitter, and on top of that we're going to try and put Sally Hansen Insta Dry. This is like a top coat, which most likely we probably won't need, but I'm still going to use it. So to get started, oh, this needs a little bit more cleaning. I have some in the crevice. So to get started, I usually push my cuticles back a little bit. Let me move these out of the way. So you can still see. Okay. Push the cuticles back just a little bit, not too much. As you know, this is your protective for your nail bed. So if you don't have to cut your cuticles, do not do it. But push it back a little bit. Like I said, my nails are already short. I tend to bite them sometimes. I know it's a bad habit, but it's already short. It's shaped. I don't need to do all that. See, I'm pushing back my cuticles. I don't know if you could see that I have a little bit of residue down there. I'll clean that up in a second. Let me go in over here with. Then I'm just gonna buff it out a little bit using this. Well, this is my first nail video I'm filming. It's a little bit hard to maneuver everything, but doing my best. I use the same sponge or the same cotton pad to just clean this up. Since it wasn't that messy, it didn't have like a bright color or anything on it, I'm using this cotton pad just to clean it up. now we are gonna go in with our first color, and like I said, this is from Sally Hansen. It's Insta Dry, and the color is called In a Flash. So it's a little bit sheer, but it's very glittery. You could see it on camera. It's like a champagne color, and I think it's beautiful. So let's go in and see how it sits, or how it goes on my nail. Okay. Doing this on camera. All right. And that's the first coat. So let's do the whole hand. And then I'm most likely going with a second coat. I've been wanting to do this video for a while, and I'm so happy that I get to do it with you guys today. Just a nail video. I like watching those type of videos on YouTube. Well, I don't know if you could see the shimmer, right? Okay, compare this finger to this one. See, this nice little shimmer. I bet you we go back to the thumb and it's already dry. And the way I test to see if my nails are dry, I just knock the two thumbs together, the two forefingers together. So let's see. Actually, no, I'm not going to do that, right? I'm going to test it real quick. No, it's still a little bit tacky. So we're going to give it a minute for it to dry. Let me close this. I don't want to knock it over. But I'm sure if I was doing the other hand, you know what? Let me go ahead and do the other hand. Because I'm eventually, when I'm finished with this video, I'm going to have to do it anyway. So let's just do it on camera. Why not, right? If you're here with me, let's just do it together. That's too much. Too much. I know some people are very good at just doing the 3 strokes. They're saying to start in the middle and then go on the 2 sides. But I have a bad habit of just going over it again and again. I wish I was as precise. Oh, I'm sorry, you're not on camera. I wish I was as precise as the ladies at the nail salon. Yeah, that's too many times. See, I swiped that thing like 6 times. Okay, let's do the 3 swipes and see what happens. So 1 down the middle, 1 down the side, 1 down the other side. Oh gosh. I am so tempted to go over it again, but I'm not. Okay, almost done with this hand. I like long nails, don't get me wrong, but they are such high maintenance. And where I am, I mean, there are a lot of nail salons in New York City, but there's one particular one that I like to go to because they do the nails very, very well. Let's test to see if it's dry. Yep, this hand is dry, and we're gonna go over it with another coat before we do the glitter. But like I was saying, the nail salon that I go to, they do the nail really, really well. But because they do it so well, they are popular and they get busy. So you have to get in there super early. Like most people are standing there waiting for them to open. Oop, I'm gonna knock the camera, I'm sorry. Waiting for them to open to be the first one in the chair, because usually when you have some of these nail salons, not everyone that works in there are good. So you tend to wait for your favorite nail tech. And that favorite nail tech is usually the favorite for tons of people. So you get in there early if you can, and you know, it takes a while. If not, if you get in there behind somebody else, you're gonna be waiting. So you tend to be at the nail salon for hours, because the one I go to, they don't really take appointments. You know, you walk in, you get help. But a lot of people, like I say, wait for their favorite nail tech. And I mean, going to the nail salon, at least that particular one, is an event. And I don't have all day to sit around to wait to get the nails done. So I go to the drugstore, usually Walgreens, Rite Aid, CVS, and I pick up Sally Hansen's Insta Dry, because they have some really beautiful colors. I have a ton of nail polish. As you can see from the intro, I have a ton of nail polish that I could pick from. And again, like I said, I like to oh, I'm not in frame, I'm sorry. I like to switch up my colors. So more than likely I'll keep this one on for like 3 days, and then I'll move on to the next. I want to be able to have long nails to be able to tap, tap, tap away. But hey, I don't have time for that. Oh, I want to try the Kiss press-on nails. I've been looking for them. I went to my drugstore, but I want the long ones. I went to my drugstore, I looked at Amazon, I went on their website, I looked at Walmart, and they are usually sold out in the long version. So if you guys know of anywhere where I could find them, please let me know in the comments below, because I do see them in the store, but it's always the short ones, the short French manicure. No, I want the long ones that's gonna be with a little design. So look at this, guys, nice and glittery. This you could wear alone for the holiday and be good. Like if you're going to like a company Christmas party or something, or even to wear to work. You know, it's not too loud. It's just a nice little champagne coverage. But we are gonna amp it up a little bit by putting more glitter on there. And like I told you, I always paint outside the line, and I usually go back in with a Q-tip, which I don't have in front of me right now, and clean it up. So this is it so far, but let's amp it up just a little bit more. We are gonna add some glitter, more glitter, and this is flecks of red, green, gold, and I think I see blue in there, but it's so nice. It reminds me of a pretty Christmas tree, just holiday colors. So let's go in with this, and the way you put this on, you don't paint it on, you pat it on. So let's start with the pinky. Make sure you're in frame, and then you just place it on the nail. Oh, that's so pretty. Just sit it on the nail. Now to get this off, don't even think about that part yet, because it's not going to be pretty. Look at that. Can you see? Let me do the whole hand. You probably have a better idea. So you go back in, pick some up, and I learned this trick from the nail tech, where I'm like, okay, how's it going to get all that glitter on my nail? And instead of like swiping when you're brushing, you just pat. Pick it up and pat it and put it down on the nail. Pat down. Okay. Now this is definitely going to take some time to dry, and I'm going to put another coat. I'm not done. I know you might probably say, wow, that might be enough, but I'm not done. I'm gonna put another coat on here. Ooh, wow. Holiday nails. first coat. Let me set it down and then zoom in the camera instead of trying to bring my hand up to the camera. Set it down and zoom in. So that's it. That's the first coat. Wow, I should have put on a ring or something. My hand is so bare. That's the first coat. Let me zoom out. Actually, no, you could stay here with me. Stay here with me. Let me put on another coat so you have an idea. And then we are gonna, okay, so pinky. Not much of a difference, but I'm still gonna go ahead and do both hands and then come back and show you guys the finished product. So after I do that, I'm gonna put on the Insta Dry to hopefully dry my hands faster so I can move on with my day. So let me go finish up both hands and I'll come back in a minute. Okay people, I am back to show you the final results of my nails. Off camera, I finished putting on the glitter on both hands, and also I put on the top coat. This is Insta Dry from Sally Hansen. I put on this top coat because the glitter, when it dries down, it's rough to the touch, so it's important to put on top coat. So I went ahead and I put on my top coat on both hands, finished up the glitter on both hands, and this is the final result. Don't they look like little Christmas ornaments on the tree? I think they look like the Christmas ornaments, the balls on the Christmas tree. So this is an idea for, you know, quick and easy holiday nails. If you don't have the time to sit in the salon and you want to do a quick thing, just run into the drugstore and grab a couple bottles of nail polishes and just do it yourself. So that is it for my holiday nails. As always, guys, I thank you for watching my video. Remember to like this video, comment, subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Again, thank you for watching. Take care.